How to change username in NGL. So if you want to change your username in NGL, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your NGL application and let's see if it's possible or not. So if you open up your application, you can go with get started, log into your account or create your account. And once you've created, then you won't have an option to change your username, right? So in NGL, it's not possible. We don't have a direct option to change username in NGL. So instead of changing the username or instead of finding the option, what you can do is just simply go and delete the account that you have right now, or you can create another one. But if it's using your Instagram's username on your NGL or your Snapchat's username on your NGL, then that means you need to change your account username on your Instagram or Snapchat, any app that you're linking to NGL. So for example, if you're using your Instagram on NGL, then you can just open up your Instagram and then you can change your Instagram's username. So go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. Go with the top right, which has that 3 bar, and then go with your account center, go with personal details or your information on permissions. And here you will have an option to change your name. So you just need simply go with change your name or username. So tap on profiles and here you will have the username option. Tap on the username and then you can change your username from your Instagram. And once you've changed your username, you can go and again log into your NGL and your username will be changed in NGL. So in this way, you'll be able to change your username in NGL. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.